Now we will do example number 2 about the absolute value equations. Let's take a look at this example. To the absolute value of 3x minus 4 plus 10 equal to 20. If you notice here in this example, the absolute value is not on one side. So I will have to simplify it to make it easier, and this it will be done by having the absolute value on one side. To do that, I will have to get rid of the 10. I will have to move it to the other side first. When we do so, this is what we will get. To the absolute value of 3x minus 4 equal 20 minus 10, and that will be 10. So we don't have anything added to the absolute value, but we still have something we will have to get rid of, which is the leading number 2. We should not have the number 2 here. That means I will have to divide both sides of the equation by the given factor, by the given number. So I will have to divide by 2. Why I'm doing this? Just because I will have to have the absolute value by itself on one side. So this is what we will get. The absolute value of 3x minus 4 equal to 5. We divided. I did not divide the inside, but I did divide the outside, which is the coefficient, because the 2 being multiplied by the whole equation. And now here, as we learned earlier, the absolute value on one side, the number on the other side, I will have to consider 2 cases. Either, let me use this color, either 3x minus 4 equal to 5, or 3x minus 4 equal minus 5. As we said, either the absolute value is positive or it is negative. So the first case here, the inside is positive, the inside, and here the inside is negative. If we simplify this and this it will be 3x equal 5 plus 4. So 3x equal to 9. So x equal to 3. And here, this is if we consider the inside being positive. If we consider the inside being negative, this is what I will have. I will say 3x equal minus 5 plus 4. So 3x equal minus 1, right? And then finally x, it will be minus 1/3. Again, one more time, we did simplify the whole equation. This is not simplified. I have to simplify the equation to end up with the main setup, which is the absolute value by itself on one side and the answer on the other side. I hope you get it right this time. One more example. If we look at this example here, suppose I have the following example, and actually with a little extra concept or idea, let's take a look at this example. The absolute value of 5x minus 5 equal the absolute value of 2x plus 3. Well, here we have 2 absolute values. How can I deal with it? Again, I will look at the insides only. So here, this is the inside, and this is the inside. have the two insides are positive, and in this case I will say 5x minus 5 equal 2x plus 3. The inside are the same. Or the other choice or the other solution, it will be if they have different signs. So here, when they have the same sign, the inside will be the same as the inside. And here when they have different signs, so one will be positive and the other will be negative. For the first case, I will have to move the unknowns to one side. This is what I'm going to write, 5x, and this will be minus 2x equal 3 plus 5. When you move one term from one side to the other side, you will have to change the sign. So we have here 3x equal 8, so x equal 8 thirds. The other solution, as we said earlier, when we have the insides, they have different signs. One is positive and the other is negative. I will have to simplify first. 5x minus 5 equal minus 2x minus 6. I'm multiplying the minus by 2 to be minus 2x, and minus times the 3 to be minus 3. Again, I will have to simplify to have the unknowns on one side, and this is what we will get. 5x and the minus 2x to become as plus 2x here. And we have minus 3, and then this will be plus 5. Why is that? When we move one term from one side to the other side, we have to change the sign. 5x plus 2x, that will be 7x equal minus 3 plus 5, that is 2. So x equal to 7. I hope you did learn from this example.